In this tutorial, I'll show you how to center elements with absolute positioning in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and add the element you want to center inside a parent container or section. Select the parent container and set its position to relative. This ensures the absolutely positioned element is aligned relative to its parent. Select the element you want to center, then set its position to absolute in the Style panel. Set the top, right, bottom and left values to 0. Then use the alignment controls to center the element both horizontally and vertically within its parent. Preview your page to make sure the element stays centered across different screen sizes. Then publish your changes if everything looks correct. That's how to center elements with absolute positioning in Webflow. Thanks for watching.